Welcome to this Christmas update for Game of Life 411. First off, I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas from myself, from Hip Vlog co-host Mike the Cat, and from graphic designer Sylvia. Game of Life 411 has two primary audiences, car people and hippies, those recovering from total hip replacement. There isn't a lot of overlap between these two audiences, but there is some. I'm obviously not the only car nut out there who also has a total hip replacement. To all you hippies and car people out there, thank you for making my channel a success. I know you must like the content I produce because I'm not as easy on the eyes as a lot of other content creators. Please watch to the end of the video where I'll share some updates about the channel's direction, but rest assured, I'll continue to put out entertaining and informative car videos, especially after I take delivery of my new Lotus Emira in spring of 2024. And I'll continue creating new hip vlogs every time I have something new and helpful to share with those facing or recovering from total hip replacement. Testing. Okay, even a trained professional like myself can have problems. Unfortunately, I did the first take of this video and one of my microphone batteries died, so there's a lot of pictures of me with my mouth moving but no sound. So here we go with the second take. I try to make sure that everything I do has a purpose and a meaning. So you might have wondered about my channel's name, Game of Life 411. It occurred to me years ago that the principles for winning at board games were similar to the principles you could apply to win at almost any facet of life. Learn the rules, then play to win. The game of life can mean different things to different people. In my case, it meant financial independence and retiring early. It meant family life and raising 3 successful adults. And by the way, if you hear that music in the background, that's one of my kids playing the piano back probably 10 years ago, and it's copyright free. And winning at the game of life also meant building meaningful relationships and helping others. But it might mean something else to you, and my overall goal for this channel has always been to help as many people as possible win at the game of life. If you're wondering why you or anyone else should listen to me about any of these topics, please watch this video. Now for the updates. October marked the 1-year anniversary of my channel. In October, I also hit the 1,000 subscriber mark and qualified for the YouTube Partner Program. So now I'm rolling in the bucks, or I should say rolling in the cents, because the revenue for my channel is pretty small so far. In fact, I haven't even received a check from YouTube yet. They require you to earn something like $100 before they'll take the time and effort to actually cut a check. So I'm on my way there, but rest assured, any profits from this YouTube channel will go to a well-deserving nonprofit. I recently set up a new Facebook group, Game of Life 411, as a companion to this YouTube channel. That will really help us explore in more detail some of the new topics we'll be covering. And this new group is in addition to my existing hip surgery support Facebook group. I hope to see you there. So how is Game of Life 411 evolving? Here are some ideas for future topics. You've probably noticed in the channel's banner that other topics are mentioned, such as health, finance, career, etc. These are areas where I think I can help you, your family, your coworkers, your friends, all win at the game of life. Here are some sample video titles for new content I'd like to produce. How to catch fire, or in other words, how to become financially independent and retire early. My best and worst investments. Debt snowball, wealth snowball. How to raise good adults with solid work ethics. No allowance ever. How to teach kids the value of a dollar and of hard work. Homeschooling is the best decision we ever made. Avoiding the 3-generation wealth curse. Your money is where your heart is. How you're spending highlights what's important to you. Our time is the only currency we really have. Losing weight and achieving other goals using accountability partners. Caring for elderly parents. I've got tons of ideas here, from administrative stuff like paying bills or setting up powers of attorney, all the way to helping your parents grieve the loss of their independence. Related to careers, should I be a contractor or an employee? The job security myth and how to promote yourself. I've got the juice and the inverse relationship between confidence and competence. And for the younger generation, how to get through college debt-free, how to purchase your first home, combining finances with your spouse, and many, many more. So again, a big thanks for watching Game of Life 411. It'll take time to build out content in these new areas. But as the channel explores new topics, I hope you'll check them out and share them with anyone who might find them helpful. We've all got coworkers, friends, family, adult children, grandchildren, and you never know what piece of information might change their lives for the better. I sincerely hope that you and yours have a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and a very prosperous 2024. Thanks for watching.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a
Merry Christmas!
Who's that for?
There you go. That's a good kitty. Okay. It looks like it's recording. Yeah. Mwah. Okay. Let's just calm down, okay? Here, I'm going to rotate you. I'm going to rotate you like this. There you go. Just stay there, Mikey. Yeah, that's a good kitty. That's a good kitty. Yes, it is. There you go. Yep, just stay down. Like there's nothing there. Lay down. Good kitty. Yes, that's a good kitty. Such a good kitty. Okay. So, now you're probably showing your butt to them, aren't you? So I'm going to rotate you. Just stay down, Mike. There you go. Much better. Much better. Mike, you really have to sit down, buddy. You need to stop getting up all the time. No, lay down. Lay down. There you go. That's a good boy. Yeah, but if you could just now face the fans, that would be nice. Can you do that? Can you just face the fans? Just stay like that. There you go. There you go. Like, you're silly